In this video, we would like to explain how to work with the control panel. Firstly, it would be useful to explain some definitions. Active trade versus idle time. Active trade is when entry signals are received, but exit signal is not yet received, so trade is still open. In contrast, idle time is when the exit signal is received and trade is successfully closed. To start, you should add USDT fund into your connected exchange account. There is a $100 to $150 minimum capital requirement across various trading plans. On the control panel, choose your preferred capital allocation method and the amount. A static capital uses a fixed amount of your available balance for every trade. This must be always smaller than your balance but larger than the minimum capital requirement. To ensure continuity of the bot operation, the static set capital will be automatically adjusted to ensure it always remains smaller than available balance in case balance reduces due to the potential losses. Dynamic capital, however, uses a percentage of your available balance for each trade. The resulted capital via this method cannot be smaller than minimum capital requirements. Dynamic capital facilitates implementation of compounding effect by using profit as part of the new capital used in next trades. Reminding again, there is a $100 to $150 minimum capital requirement that is enforced within control panel, together with some other rules. This means it's not allowing you to start the bot if you have not set any static or dynamic capital, or your set capital or balance is less than minimum required capital amount. Or if you have set a larger capital than your available balance. It is highly recommended to add at least 20 to 30% more capital to ensure your bot operation will not be interrupted. Once the capital is correctly set, you can start the bot. As a final note, user can only change capital during idle time. When user attempts to change capital during idle time, bot is automatically paused. In contrast, during active trade, like in this account example, static or dynamic capital fields are locked to avoid changing the capital. Play or pause button is to start and stop the trading bot operation. To minimize unexpected losses, a bot can only be paused during idle time, which is when the previous trade has been closed. In other words, exit signal is received, or we have a fresh trading account like this. Bot cannot be paused during an active trade, as per the example in this account. Active trade by definition means when there is a trade open and the entry has occurred but there is no exit signal received yet. That can be checked via the trading signal page. By pressing the pause button during an active trade, user can schedule pause, which means when exit signal is received, then bot will be safely and automatically paused. The trigger of a scheduled pause will be logged in trading signal page. Force exit is a manual emergency exit for an active trade. Use it cautiously, as it may result in significant losses by interrupting the normal flow of trade and the normal exit process that is expected to occur automatically via the trading algorithm. If absolutely necessary, for example, urgent fund withdrawal needed, and you can accept the potential losses, press force exit. Once you press force exit, a pop-up window will show up and display the current estimated profit or loss based on the live market price. You can then choose to proceed or cancel, which allows continuing the trade or choosing a more suitable market condition later to force exit. After force exit, an artificial exit signal is generated that results in exiting the open active trade, followed by automatically pausing the bot. That means to continue bot operation, you should manually start the bot again. The trigger of the force exit will be logged in trading signal page. Leverage switch is only available for Binance Exchange. Enabling this switch allows the bot to borrow additional funds from Binance for trades. It's designed to enhance potential returns while properly managing the risks. Leverage switch is only capable to be activated during idle time. During active trade, you should wait for the trade to normally close or use the force exit. Alternatively, you can use a scheduled pause and wait for trade to close at the time of exit signal execution. A few important reminders are: don't make manual changes in your connected exchange account during an active trade, such as manually buying, selling, or withdrawing assets or funds, as this would disrupt the bot operation and cause losses. Make changes only during idle time after safely pausing the bot. When you change your available USDT balance on the exchange, you should adjust your trading capital on BlackOrigin accordingly.